Hello guys, this is Nitin Pawar. Welcome to my channel. In my last video, I shown you how you can create your Azure Data Factory resource. In this video, I'll show you how you can create a link service to your particular source. So first of all, you have to log into your Azure Data Factory resource. Then over here in the manage, click over there. You see the link services are there. So what exactly are link services? Link services are nothing but they provide the link to your sources, or your source could be a blob storage, or it could be a SQL database, it could be any different files. There are more connectors available in Azure portal so that you can connect to different source systems. So I'll show you one by one. So in your connection, you go to the link services. Here click on the new. So here you have to provide which kind of source you want to connect to. So there are different options available for you, from Cosmos to the Azure to the SQL to your Key Vault. So I'll show you for the blob storage. So if I go here and say blob storage, so click on the Azure blob storage, click on the continue. Here you have to provide the name. So I'll say blob connection. Here connect via. So you want to have that auto integration runtime. It should be connect to authentication type, account key, or you can connect via different key if you have available with you. Currently I'll show you with the account key. Account selection method. Here either you can create it manually or directly using your Azure subscription. If you're using through the Azure subscription, you don't directly, whatever subscription is available to you, it will pop up from here. And then storage account, whatever storage account created, all the list available here, and you can select from that. If you try to click enter manually, here you have to enter the storage account name manually, and you have to paste that account key for that particular storage account. So I'll show you using the Azure subscription. So here is my subscription, here is my storage account. Or here you can see the test connection. I'll say test connection. Now connection is successful means my Azure Data Factory is successfully able to connect to my blob storage account. Click on over here, create. Now you can see that blob connection properties created. So this way in my Azure Data Factory, I'm able to create the link services for my Azure blob storage. Now here I can show you that this is my storage account. Over here, if I go to the containers, there are files and other things available which I can access in my Azure Data Factory using this particular connection, link connection services. I will show you in the detail how you can access the blob storage file in your Azure Data Factory in my next video. I hope you like this, where you can create the how you can create the link services in your Azure Data Factory. If you have any questions on this, do let me know. Thank you.